Charging Network bought a 2200W solar inverter from Hongpeng New Energy. This inverter series supports 5 power units and has multiple built-in protection features. Metal case with IP65 protection and a backlit LCD screen to show its status. White metal casing has branding, an LCD, indicator lights, and function buttons. The connectors include positive-negative terminals, RS-232, and AC interfaces. Interface with internal connection terminals. And info labels are on the inverter's side. It shows input-output specs for the solar grid tie inverter. DC input 2350 W, max voltage 550 V, operating range 100-550 V, max AC output 2200 W, IP65 enclosure, class 1 protection. Aluminum alloy heatsink covers the inverter's back. Continuing disassembly, remove the housing screws. Housing has an internal seal. Seal is also present in the screen area. The board is bracket mounted, wired to the bottom power board. Below the control board. Wires and remove the internal PCBA module. Pads for power tubes inside the housing. 3 inductors are screw-mounted. The board has 2 MCUs, op-amps, and voltage comparators. Is blank. Screen and connectors are through-hole soldered. Both Renesas MCUs, HD64F3062, F25B, 128 KB ROM, 4 KB RAM, 100-pin QFP. MCUs handle inverter signals, control, and display functions. I at 224C02, C256B memory in SOIC 8 package. Control board has 3 onsemi MC 14081B4 and gates for output signal buffering in SOIC 14 packages. Also has 3 TITL074I4 op-amps for signal detection amplification in SOIC 14 packages. 2 analog devices, OP07C single op-amps supporting 40 to 85 degrees Celsius are in SOIC 8 packages. ELM 2394 voltage comparators for signal processing are in SOIC 14 packages. MC 14052B dual 4-channel analog switch is used in a TSESOP 16 package. L431 voltage reference from dials is in a SOT 89 package. 1602 LCD screen is connected by soldering. The capacitor is 10 microfarads. RS232 board has a spot for a Wi-Fi module. Back has no components. PS 2561 optocoupler is used for RS232 isolation. It has an onsemi NCP 1117 DT333.3 V voltage regulator chip. Input 20V, output 1A in DPAK package. 220 MEF filter capacitors are used. The PCBA has caps, varistors, and filter inductors. Electrolytic capacitors in the middle are used for input filtering. The components' positions are hollowed out with copper tin wiring for high current. Input film capacitor from Xiamen Farah Electronics, spec, Eviva. PDA Varistor, model S20K420, absorbs voltage surges. DY capacitors are HEC brand. In-film filter capacitor spec, Eviva. Voltage filter caps, LXS series, 315, V390V, 2 in series. Resistor detects DC input current. 7. C op-amp amplifies current signal detection. 4. 7K05W cement resistors for high voltage cap discharge. Switch, Yushin RN90 NMOS, 900V, 5, 60 to 252 package. Step switch, Infineon, IRGP 4063, D IGBT 600V 48A 1.65V drop to Fire, Lit DSEI 3060A, fast recovery 600V 30A to 247 package. Apps, LXS series 315V 1000V, series parallel 630V 1000V equiv. Infineon IRGP 4062D 600V24A 1.65V drop to 247 package. Other two IGBTs are the same model. IGBT drivers. On-semi FOD 3120 SD, high noise immunity, common mode rejection. In PDI-P8GW with 5 photocouplers driving 5 isolated IGBTs. Current transformer from VIAC, model T60404N4646, X400, 25A range, supports AC, DC, pulse, and mixed current. 2 film capacitors EVFA spec. In-film filter capacitor spec is 2.2 VFA. In-film filter capacitor spec is EVFA. From Matsukawa 210 series small power relay, model 210-2 IFC DPDT silver alloy contacts. Zero-phase current transformer used for AC leakage current detection. Third absorber from Juniao Electronics, model 471 KD20, absorbs voltage spikes. Discharge tube in series with surge absorber to absorb voltage spikes. Power IC from Infineon, SC3B12280JZ, current mode controller with 800V, MOSFET and HV startup in DIP7 package. This RP 2561 photocoupler for output voltage feedback. Caps 16V1000 UF, 25V680 UF and 25V220 UF. IC from TI, TPS 5430, built-in switch, 500kH is, 3A out, SOAC 8 package. Power RS232 COM interface board. Build capsule 25V220 UF. A from Fujitsu, FTRF4GAK012 TKW, DPDT 5A12V coil. 074 I4 op amp for signal detection amp SOIC. SMI LM290 triple dual voltage comparator SOIC. Energy HOSOLA Smart 2200 teraliters PV microinverter bomb attached for reference. Metal case with aluminum heatsink on back for passive cooling. Power components fixed to heatsink with screws and clamp for cooling. Control and power boards inside, all name brand parts for long-term reliability.